Hi, my name is Eric Miller with JYD Industries, a division of ESI Equipment, and today I'd like to go over with you our RIT lift kit. First of all, JYD, our motto is keeping it simple, and you can see from this kit right here, we try and do that for you. First of all, it's heavy-duty vinyl, 28-ounce vinyl, so it's protected very well. And then you can also see here that we have a tough bottom, so it can go in gravel, anything, and it's going to protect the bag. But the biggest bang for this is how simple and how easy this kit is, but also how much work you can do with it. So you can see again, very small and compact for storing in the apparatus, and everything is self-included in this bag, pre-connected, preset, ready to go. So what you have is you have your double deadman handheld controller. Again, all pre-connected, pre-set up. You have your shut-off and safety valves. Obviously, you can see here you have two 16-foot inflation hoses. As I pull this out, you can see here we have a pony cylinder, obviously to provide the air. And then you have two SavaTech 10-ton airbags. These are conventional airbags, not the flat style. But all of this is self-contained within this kit and can basically do anything you need it to, whether it's a vehicle accident, extrication, machinery, anything where you need to use airbags to help the situation. This kit is perfect for it. Again, very small, compact, easy to use. You have a shoulder strap here to throw it over the shoulder, carry it to the scene, and take care of the task at hand.